Today our topic is current affairs bits part 13. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, PSUs. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. In the 2010 Commonwealth Games held in Delhi from October 3 to October 14, Deepika Kumari won gold medal in the given options are A. Women's freestyle wrestling 67 kg, B. Women's archery individual recurve, C. Women's 25th mile pistol, D. Women's weightlifting 58 kg. The given option B is correct one. Women's archery individual recurve. Deepika Kumari is an Indian athlete who competes in the event of archery. Is currently ranked world number 5 and is a former world number 1. She won a gold medal in the 2010 Commonwealth Games in the women's individual recurve event. Which country got first position in Asian Wrestling Championship 2020? The given options are A. India, B. Japan, C. Iran, D. Nepal. The given option B is correct one. Japan. Japan got first position in Asian Wrestling Championship 2020. Iran got second position. India got third position. Asian Wrestling Championship 2020 was held in Indira Gandhi Stadium, Delhi. Championship was conducted from 18 to 23 February 2020. Which of the following is the first country to become carbon negative? The given options are A. Canada, B. Poland, C. Bhutan, D. United States of America. The given option C is correct one. Bhutan. Bhutan is the first country to become carbon negative. It is one of the greenest countries in the world. It is landlocked country in the South Asia. It is known for its natural beauty, forest conservation, grass, national happiness, great culture and heritage and biodiversity. Which film won the Best Film Award at the 19th Dhaka International Film Festival? The given options are A. Wife of Spy, B. Into the Darkness, C. The Road to Eden, D. Another Round. The given option C is correct one. The Road to Eden. Kyrgyz film The Road to Eden, jointly directed by Bakit Mukul and Dastan Jaffar, won the Best Film Award at the 19th Dhaka International Film Festival. The 19th Dhaka International Film Festival was held in Dhaka, Bangladesh from 16 January to 24 January 2021. Which of the following has released the 2021 Global Climate Litigation Report? The given options are United Nations Environment Programme, B. World Bank, C. UNESCO, D. World Wildlife Fund. The given option A is correct one. United Nations Environment Programme. In January 2021, the United Nations Environment Programme released the 2021 Global Climate Litigation Report. The report was published by UNEP in cooperation with the Sabin Center for Climate Change Law of Columbia University. International Customs Day is observed on every year. The given options are 24th January, B. 25th January, C. 26th January, D. 27th January. The given option C is correct one. 26th January. International Customs Day is held on January 26th each year. In India, this day is celebrated annually by the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. This day was initiated by the World Customs Organization. Which international organization has released the 2019 Global Health Estimates Report in December 2020? The given options are A. UNESCO, B. UNICEF, C. WHO, D. World Bank. The given option C is correct one. WHO. In December 2020, the World Health Organization released the 2019 Global Health Estimates Report. The new data cover the period from 2000 to 2019. In 2015, the United Nations Climate Change Conference was held at. The given options are A. Paris, B. Doha, C. Montreal, D. Copenhagen. The given option A is correct one, Paris. The United Nations Climate Change Conference was held in Paris in 2015. The first UN Climate Change Conference was held in 1995 in Berlin. 2017 India Asian Youth Summit was held from 14th to 19th August 2017 in. The given options are A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Bhopal, D. Chennai. The given option C is correct one, Bhopal. 2017 Indian Asian Youth Summit was held from 14th to 19th August 2017 in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The summit was organized as part of a year-long series of events to celebrate 25 years of partnership with Association of Southeast Asian Nations countries. On August 18, 2017, which Asian country launches its first cyber court specializing in handling internet-related cases? The given options are A. Japan, B. China, C. South Korea, D. Thailand. The given option B is correct one, China. China launched its first cyber court specialization in handling internet-related cases on August 18, 2017. Which of the following countries launched the world's most powerful geospy satellite, the Geofen-4? The given options are A. Russia, B. India, C. USA, D. China. The given option D is correct one, China. China launched the world's most powerful geospy satellite, the Geofen-4. It has a color image resolution of slightly less than 50 meters and a thermal imaging resolution of 400 meters. Which of the following Arab countries has announced to hold the first national election? The given options are A. Kuwait, B. Qatar, C. Oman, D. Jordan. The given option B is correct one, Qatar. Qatar has announced to hold the first national election. It will be held in October 2021. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Like and comment about my video. Thank you.